Mr. Jones invested a total of 30,000 in two ventures for a year. There are two ventures, and if you read the question carefully, it asks how much did he invest in at each rate. So there are two ventures. Let's say let X be the amount invested in first venture, and Y be the amount invested in second venture, and the total amount is 30,000. Then X plus Y is 30,000. Now we can solve this equation for Y. Subtract X from both sides, so we get Y equals 30,000 minus X. Okay, later as soon as we get the value of X, we subtract X from 30,000 to get the value of Y, where Y is the amount invested in second venture. Let's read the question one more time. The annual return from one of them was 8%. So from, let's say, X, 8%. So 8% means decimal 0.8. So decimal 0.8, let's say for X, that X, plus from the other 10.5% for the year, just for 1 year. It's already 1 year. Okay, 10.5%, that's decimal 105 Y. Okay, that is the total income. Okay, that's the income, interest income earned, equals 2550. That's 2,550. Okay, now plug in Y equals 30,000 minus X here to solve for X. So decimal 0.8X plus decimal 105 times Y. Y is given by 30,000 minus X equals 2550. Now we solve this equation for X. So decimal 0.8X plus, let's multiply, let's distribute decimal 105 here. So using calculator, decimal 105 times 30,000, 30103 equals 3150. So when we multiply, we get 3150. Okay, 3150 minus decimal 105 X is just decimal 105 X equals 2550. Okay, here's a X, here's a X, so these are like terms, and number, this is number. So we want to move this 3150 to the other side, 3150. Then we get, when we subtract, we can use calculator again. Okay, so 3150 minus 2550, that's 600. So this is bigger, so negative 600. In the left, 0.08X minus 0.105X. We can use calculator again. So in this case, 0.08, so decimal 0.8, that's positive, is a minus 0.105, that's negative 0.025. Okay, that's negative 0.025X. Okay, that many X's, we get that. Now this is negative 0.025 times X equals negative 600. Now we divide both sides by negative 0.025, negative 0.025 to isolate X. Then X equals, use calculator again, or you can just work in your head. That is now negative cancel, so 600 divided by decimal 0.25, that is 24,000. Okay, 24,000. This is 24,000. So so there are two ventures. So the amount invested in the first venture was 24,000. Now we plug that back here. So total was 30,000 and it's 24. So if you plug in here, you get 6,000, or you can just think in your head 24 plus 6 is 30. So y is 30 minus 24. Here 30 minus 24, or just $600,000. These are the answers, where x is the amount invested in first venture, y is the amount invested in second venture. Final.